Hello, good morning, good afternoon, everybody. So I am François Suquet, VP of Human Resources for ST Microelectronics in Asia, and I'm very pleased to make this presentation to you. We are very honored to make a presentation to all the students for university in Singapore, and thanks to this great Choose France program supported by the French Embassy in Singapore. So as I told you, I am VP of HR, so covering the overall Asia. I would like first to thank all my colleagues in Singapore who have helped me to prepare this presentation for you. Mrs. Jit Lim in charge of human resources for Singapore operation and activities, as well as Iris Low in charge of staffing and recruitment, and as well as all my HR colleagues in Singapore. I would like also to associate all the management of ST in Singapore in this presentation. This presentation is for you. So do not hesitate after the presentation or later on in the following days to get in touch with me for any questions. What you will see is technology start from people. So definitively we need you. We need you to continue to grow and to continue to make further development in microelectronic and in all our activity and continue to grow. So let me start the presentation. So what I will do is I will do quite fast to make the presentation about ST and also about our activities worldwide. And of course, I will spend some more time focusing on our activities and also what we can offer in terms of job, position, and career path inside the company. So first of all, we are very pleased to confirm that we have a long seniority in Singapore. We started in Singapore more than 50 years back, and we celebrated last year. You see the big picture here, our 50th anniversary in Singapore, with the great presence of the Deputy Prime Minister of Singapore, as well as our CEO Jean-Marc Chéry at the right of the Deputy Prime Minister, and also Mr. Jérôme Roux, our CEO in Asia, at the extreme right of this picture. So it demonstrates that effectively, with a so long seniority for a technology company in Singapore, we are very helped and supported by the very dynamic R&D and technology ecosystem in Singapore, which greatly support us to continue to make further development. So I will go quite fast in the ST presentation. So just to tell you that we are roughly a $10 billion US dollar company. We have 46,000 employees worldwide, out of which close to 8,000 R&D engineers. And I will come back, of course, to Singapore itself. Of course, sales and marketing is absolutely critical for us. And Asia is a great region for this. And we have manufacturing, which is a key pillar for ST Microelectronics. As you can see, we are part of many organizations, and we follow and respect a lot of norms in both energy saving, but also ecology and environment. And you have some of them here. Our global presence. So what you see here is we are quite balanced between Asia. So we have 40% of our total headcount in Asia. We'll come back on it. We have a large presence, of course, in Europe, and we have also a big presence in the America. So it's a quite balanced presence all around the world between the big regions. So in terms of market, what is our vision? So first of all, our product supports the life of the people. So we stand for life augmented, as we tell, okay? And you will see just after what are the products we address and what are the products we deliver to the market. So where can you find us? So you can find us in many different activities. You can find us in what we call driving, so especially effectively the car, and the electrification of the car being a great example. You can find us, it's at the bottom on the left, in all what is connected in the homes and the city, mainly within the market of what we call Internet of Things. On the right, we can find us overall in the industry, supporting automation in the industry, in the various industry all around the world, and of course in Singapore. Okay, and we are in the mobile, we are in the Internet of Things, in the interconnected world, supported by the cloud and the mobile. So some trends and market I would like to share with you. So first of all, we address in terms of market, the market of the smart mobility. So as I told you, we address the market of the electrification of the car, which is very important for us, and which is a safer and greener market and more connected all around the world and every day. We address power and energy, and definitively we are very present in a lot of energy saving program supporting industry all around the world. And as I told you, we support also Internet of Things, which is the interconnected worlds that you are part, of course. So few examples I wanted to share with you. So first of all, in the domain of the smart mobility, yes, we are very present in all what is called security and safety of the car, which is definitively for us a very important market, taking care about people using cars. Okay, electrification of the car is for us a big market. Why? Because more you have electrification of the car, more you have electronic components behind. And definitively, we are also very present in a cleaner, greener combustion engines, which is for us, of course, a very important market. In addition, we are a lot present in what we call power and energy. Energy saving for us is important. So we support energy efficiency. We support a big industry working on energy, so renewable energy and energy saving. So this is, of course, for us also a very big market. We are in the Internet of Things. So Internet of Things is one of our first markets. So using the cloud, supporting security, safety, and boosting also all the interconnected world, and boosting also with the 5G, which is of course for us a very important market. So these are some examples of our key market I wanted to provide you. Let's go now to technology. This is not possible to address so high-level technological markets without a very deep, diverse, and very important technology portfolio. We invest on yearly basis a very high level of our revenue percent in terms of investment, in terms of R&D. So in order for our customers to be able to be independent and to be the leader in terms of technology and also their markets. Okay, so what do we address in terms of technology? And you have here some example of our big portfolio. We address the key domains in the semiconductor, supporting our semiconductor market in terms of R&D, technology, and R&D portfolio supporting our customers. So some examples I wanted to give you, so addressed by our technology portfolio. So of course we address the automotive market, which is for us very important. We address the analog, industrial, and power conversion markets. We address all what we call the EEPROM and the microcontroller markets. We addressed discrete power and transistor. We address electronical microcomponents markets. And we address also all the proprietary technologies as well as the industry. In terms of manufacturing and R&D, definitively manufacturing is a great pillar for STMicroelectronics. We have, as you know, certainly a big facility in Singapore, one of our largest manufacturing operation in Singapore in the domain of front-end. It is located in Ang Mo Kio. And we have also electrification test and also packaging activity in Toa Payoh. Okay. So if we look at our global presence in terms of manufacturing all around the world, so we have presence in Asia. On the right, you see Singapore. I told you Ang Mo Kio and Toa Payoh, but we are also in Malaysia, we are in Philippines, and we are in Shenzhen in China. Okay, and we have big facilities, front-end mainly in France and Italy, and we have also back-end facility in Morocco, at the north of Africa, and also in Malta and in the island of Malta. Manufacturing for us is definitively a key pillar because it provides us our ability to be independent until a certain level, supporting our customers and being able also to produce within our own internal operation the product for our customers and supporting our customers making their products. So definitively for us, innovations is definitively absolutely key. And I will come back after on people, which is for us the key driver. You have here some key KPIs I would like to share with you. First of all, in terms of patents, we deposit a lot of patents every year, and you see here the number of patents we have deposited in 2019. We should reach more in 2020. In terms of revenue, I told you we invest yearly basis a lot of money in terms of R&D in order to stay and continue to be a leader in our industry. And last year we have invested 16% in the domain of the R&D. And in terms of people, which is the first point, we have close to 8,000 people in the domain of the R&D and also in the domain of the product design, which is the product application R&D. I would like to speak a little bit about sales. Asia for us is a very, very, very important market. Close to 40% of the revenue of ST is performed in Asia, and we ship to Asia to our customers, to assembly plants, more than 60% of the product we produce in ST. So in terms of sales, where are we? You see here all the sales office we have all around the world, and you see all the one we have in Asia, in all the countries, in Singapore, of course, but also in all the countries of the south and the north of Asia. You see Europe, and you see also America. So in terms of customers, you see here the 10 top customers in 2019. So all those names you know very well. They are big names of very, very important customers: Apple, Bosch, Sienna, Continental, HP, Huawei, Mobileye, Samsung, Seagate, Tesla. I'm sure you know all those very well-known companies. And we are very proud to have all these key accounts and very important customers that we are able to support from STMicroelectronics. We have also a lot of very important customers all around the world, as well as a distribution market, which is very, very important, especially here in Asia, and supported by our Asia Pac sales and marketing organization. Let me go now to sustainability. Sustainability for us is very important. So of course, for us, it's absolutely our DNA. We start from people. So we put people first. Definitively, this is the DNA of the company. It was very visible again during all the COVID situation. It's still visible. You know that the COVID still continues to spread in many countries. Hopefully the situation now is excellent in Singapore. So definitively putting people at first. We want to create this very high level of engagement between the people and the company, and also push the people to grow in ST and also develop their career path. I will come back on it just after. Okay. So improving also everybody's life is also important for us. We contribute to a lot of sustainable profit initiatives. We contribute to innovation, and in Singapore specifically, we are very active, also together with the French embassy, which support us in the domain of the R&D ecosystem. Quality, sustainable technology are also for us key areas of evolution, growth, and development. Energy saving, ecology, environment, our capacity to take care about waste and effluent, our chemicals is also for us very important. And we used to follow at ST the highest level in terms of standard and also norms, which is for us very important. Diversity and inclusion. So this is also a message I wanted to address. 40%, 44% of our workforce is made with women and talented ladies. We want more, definitively, and especially in the core function of the company, whatever manufacturing and R&D. So please, ladies, if you are interested to join ST, please come. This is important. We need you. And we want to have more ladies in our industry. Definitively, you know that very often within the promotions, there are between 20-25% of ladies. Of course, it depends from a university to another. So we want at ST to do more and to make more. In terms of diversity and inclusions, we have a lot of KPIs, and we are also very proud to confirm that our CEO has recently announced that our next president of HR will be a lady, and I'm very happy to also to confirm that it will be a lady coming from Asia. Disability also and supporting employment of disabled people is also very important to this. And of course, if you have any question on it, please do not hesitate to raise. So most important part now, our people. So you see that among our 46,000 employees around the world, we have more than 18,000 in Asia, so around 40% of our total workforce. In Asia, we have all the activities of the company: manufacturing front end, manufacturing back end. We have divisions. We have a product application. Okay, we have sales and marketing, a very important organization. When we have all the support function of the company, and of course the supply chain. Okay, and you have the breakdown in terms of manufacturing, R&D, marketing, sales, divisions, and support function on this chart. So technology start from definitively start from people, and let me show you. Let me show you what we do in Singapore. So I will not present again this chart because I showed you earlier in my presentation. So let me show you the 4 sites we represent in Singapore. So we have 4 activities. We have a big manufacturing operation, one of the largest manufacturing operation at ST in Ang Mo Kio, okay, in Singapore. We have very close to Ang Mo Kio in Serangoon North. We have what we call our business headquarters, grouping our key regional functions supporting Asia, but also R&D, design, application support, supply chain, and of course supporting our customers with our sales and marketing organization. We are in Toa Payoh with a global end manufacturing headquarters, but also we have front-end manufacturing in Ang Mo Kio as well as back-end manufacturing, and we have a logistic hub for Asia in Loyang. Okay, so you see that we have a quite very large activity in Singapore, representing most of the job function and activity of our company. So we have, as I told you, we have a long presence in Singapore. So ST was one of the first semiconductor companies to open a factory in Singapore. It was in 1969, very long time ago. Most of you were not born at that time. Okay, and we developed our manufacturing operation year after year. Let me also tell you that recently, it was end of October, we are very proud to have announced that we have opened a new lab-in-lab initiative dedicated on the MEMS technology in collaboration with A-STARS, Institute of Microelectronics in Singapore, as well as Japanese manufacturing tool vendor Yulvac in Singapore. So this is a new innovation. We continue to grow in the domain of the R&D and the manufacturing in Singapore, and we will continue to do it thanks to the R&D dynamic ecosystem in Singapore. Let's go to career, okay? And this time I would like to spend a little bit more time to tell you what is possible and what are the high-level career you could perform in our company. So first, in the domain of the technology development, you see that we have a large batch of activities and job functions which are possible. From advanced R&D to characterization, to process R&D, to mask technology in the domain of the manufacturing, to package development in the domain of our back-end activity. So we are also in what we call design, in product high hardware and software design. So designing our chip, for our customers. And you have here all the job function you can make in the company as soon as effectively you have microelectronic competencies and technical skills and expertise. In the domain of the operations, so of course all these job functions are available in Singapore thanks to the very large operation we have there. From process engineer, definitively a very important position, especially for a young engineer, device engineering, test engineering, production management, process management, maintenance, because we have a lot of equipment and maintenance is definitively for us a key activity, fab management, as well as, of course, automation, because IT is everywhere in a fab, and automation is a very, very, very important activity, supporting the efficiency and also the performance of a very large activity like the one we have in Ang Mo Kio. We have over, just a second, please. So we have other job function in our company, especially in Singapore, in the domain of the quality and in the domain of the health and safety and environment, okay, as well as in central and manufacturing planning, industrial engineering. We are also in fab training, which is very important. You have to know that we have a permanent activity in terms of training, embedded into our shifted operations. So for us, the continuous improvement of the skills of our people is definitively important. Purchasing, operation management, site management, quality. Okay. Supply chain for us is definitively also a key activity. So if you are interested, please feel free to raise, especially in Asia, where we have a very important part of our sales. And we are also on the way to transform our supply chain for providing better and higher added value to our customers. Okay. So in terms of sales and marketing, so we have a very important team of sales and marketing in Asia, and with a big representation here in Singapore at the BHQ. Okay, so we have a lot of different job function, of course, in the domain of the sales itself, the marketing, the field application engineering, taking care about our customers and our products, the forecasting and the demand forecasting, which is important, the business planning. Okay. Then I would like to go to support staff function. So we have, of course, in Asia and especially here in Singapore, all the support function, whatever communication, human resources. I am very pleased with this. Purchasing, legal, finance, quality IT, but also site services, ethics and compliance, which is very important for us, and also all the administration job function. So some figures in terms of opportunities in Singapore I would like to share with you. So in terms of permanent positions, we have hired in 2019 and 2020 year to date 262 people, both engineers and high-level professionals. So this is a big number, you see. We have hired also interns and apprentices. we have hires, trainees, and we have also scholarship program. I also take this opportunity to tell that in association with the French Embassy, we also offer some opportunities for Singapore students to perform part of their internship in our France operations. So this is possible. So if you are also interested, please feel free to raise and to ask questions. So what does it mean working at ST? So first, we need you because we need that you bring at ST your ability of creativity and innovation. So we are in a market that needs young people. So you will be the future of the company, definitively, bringing your passion, bringing your ability to push further the innovation capacity of the company. So of course, we have a certain number of job functions where we are specifically interested because of our current job opening in Singapore. You see some here, but even if it's not exhaustive, electrical and electronics engineers, mechanical engineering, mechatronic, material and science, chemical, industrial, physics, computer science. Well, this is just an example, but what I would like also to tell you is we can hire in many various job functions in Singapore due to our very large operations there. Our technology starts with you, so definitively everything comes from people. We are very convinced at ST about it, and definitively your passion in technology so will bring our ability to continue to grow in the future. So in terms of position available, you see also here some position available we have currently in our company and specifically in Singapore in the domain of process, equipment, device, engineering, so especially in the fab, in the domain of the product, digital, analog design, digital verification within our product group, okay, in the domain of the software development, product test engineering, characterization, validation, so also in the domain of the product development application groups, okay. You see here our website, My ST Careers Talentsoft, that you could connect on in order to have a visibility, visit our website, recruitment website, have a visibility, connect with us, and also, of course, post your candidacies. Okay, so thanks a lot. So this is what I wanted to tell you quite rapidly this morning, and I'm very happy again very proud to make this presentation to Singapore high-level students. I am, of course, now very available for any questions you would like to share, and feel free to get in touch with me and also to the HR department from ST Microelectronics in Singapore following this meeting. Thank you. Back to you, Frederic. Thank you.